Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 10. I'm Marcus Chen. In the next minutes, you'll discover a powerful AI tool or workflow that can dramatically increase your nomad income. Hook. Imagine this. Industry studies and experienced SEOs estimate that a single high-authority backlink can drive thousands of dollars in organic revenue across a year. Now imagine getting that link in weeks instead of months. AI shrinks the research and personalization time from days to minutes. And when you automate the pipeline, 1 or 2 placements a month become the difference between paying for a plane ticket or covering 3 months of travel. This changes everything for nomads.
Promise. Today, I'll show you how to launch an AI-driven backlink outreach service in a day. A travel-ready, productized offering that finds prospects, crafts context-aware pitches, sequences follow-ups, and converts placements into retainers. Here's the exact prompt stock. You'll get tool choices, verbatim prompts, a 60-minute daily travel routine, pricing bands, and the QA checks that keep results high and reputation intact.
Section 1. What this service looks like. Deliverables are simple and repeatable. A monthly placements report, 2 to 3 guest post or resource placements per client, outreach templates with brand voice, and a dashboard showing domain authority, traffic estimate, and link status. Ideal clients are small to mid-sized niche businesses and SaaS companies that need domain authority growth but don't have time for manual outreach. Operations are travel-friendly. Everything runs from Airtable plus Zapier or Make, an outreach sender like Lemlist or SendGrid, and a truncated human review step for quality. Start small but think big. Productize packages into one-off audits, per-placement packages, or retainers with guaranteed outreach volume and quality gates.
Let me add an ethics guardrail you must include. Never blast mass, irrelevant pitches to low-quality sites. Always verify editorial standards, traffic signals, and topical relevance before sending. AI speeds things up, but we keep a human approval step for every domain above your prospecting threshold. That preserves client reputation and avoids spam filters. Start with a prospect score threshold. Only sites scoring above that go into the send queue.
Section 2. Tool stock and exact prompts. Use a compact stock that runs on a laptop and mobile, a language model, ChatGPT or Claude, a backlink research source, Ahrefs, Moz, or free SERP plus site filters if you're bootstrapping, an email finder, Hunter or Lucia, Airtable for your CRM, Zapier or Make for automation, and Lemlist or SendGrid for sending and sequences. Now, the exact prompts you'll use. Copy these verbatim and paste into your AI workspace, then adapt for Brangvoice.
Research prompt. Feed this the target domain and a short client brief. You are an expert SEO researcher. Given the client brief, insert client brief, find 25 topical pages or sites that accept guest posts or resource mentions. For each prospect return, URL, page title, estimated monthly traffic, DR or domain authority, likely contact role, editor, outreach, reason this is a fit in 1 sentence, and suggested anchor text. Rank prospects by relevance score and mark any that look spammy. Output a CSV-ready rows. Use this to generate an initial list, then filter an Airtable with automated site checks.
Pitch personalization prompt. Craft a short cold email tailored to a specific prospect and brand voice. Paste this. Write a 5 to 7 sentence outreach email from the perspective of client name, voice, concise, friendly, expert, prospect site name with URL, suggested article topic, and suggested anchor text, anchor. Keep it personal, reference a recent article by name, include 1 specific value statement, what the guest post will add, and close with a single clear next step. Keep subject line under 60 characters. Then do a 2-pass. AI draft, human edit for specificity and brand alignment. Here's an example subject line. Quick guest post idea for prospect site.
Follow-up sequence prompt. Create 3 polite follow-ups spaced 3, 7, and 14 days after the initial note. Use this. Write short follow-ups, 2 to 4 sentences, that reference the earlier pitch. Add 1 new micro-value item, an extra headline idea, a stat, or a sample paragraph, and ask for a preferred timeline. Keep tone courteous and avoid pressure language. Insert those into Lemlist or SendGrid and gate sends behind a manual check for the first 20 prospects.
Implementation steps, a compact workflow you can stand up in a day. 1. Capture client brief and target keywords in Airtable. 2. Run the research prompt and import the prospect rows. 3. Enrich contacts via Hunter or Lucia. Use Zapier to add emails back to Airtable. 4. Auto-score prospects by DR, traffic, and relevance. Only score above threshold go to the send queue. 5. For each prospect, run the pitch personalization prompt. Place the draft in an Airtable approval column and have the human editors sign off. 6. Approved drafts push to Lemlist SendGrid via Zapier for sequencing. 7. Track replies and placements in Airtable. Update metrics automatically with weekly scraping checks. Daily routine on the road. Spend 60 minutes. 20 for prospect review and approvals, 20 for handling replies and negotiating placements, 20 for client updates and reporting. That keeps quality high without tethering you to a desk.
Pricing and packaging. One-off audits at $300 to $800 depending on tooling. Per placement pricing anywhere from $200 to $1,000 plus depending on site authority and writing included. Retainers at $1,000 to $5,000 per month for guaranteed outreach volume and management. Example math. 3 placements a month at an average $700 per placement equals $2,100 monthly, enough to cover higher visa qualifying income bands in many countries. Automation trims your hands-on time to a few hours weekly, making that retainer highly scalable across 2 or 3 clients.
Section 3. Pitfalls and mitigations. Common risks are spammy outreach, low-quality placements, and clients expecting guaranteed top-tier links. Defend against them with concrete QA checks, site editorial checklists, minimum content quality, no obvious link farms, and manual review gates for top prospects, and a 2-pass content review for any guest post you supply. Contractually set expectations. Placements are deliverable, but domain authority and traffic are outcomes you'll report honestly with replacement outreach clauses if a placement fails quality thresholds.
Add these ethical checks. Verify the contact is editorial staff, confirm the site's content aligns topically, and never misrepresent authorship or link intent. Use a manual flag for anything borderline and remove it from automated sends. The human plus AI advantage is that AI scales the draft work. Humans keep the trust. Let's make this actually work for you, responsibly.
Immediate action checklist. First 90 minutes. 1. Create an Airtable base with fields prospect URL, contact, DR, traffic, relevance score, pitch draft, approval status. 2. Run the research prompt for one client and import the top 25 prospects. 3. Enrich contacts with Hunter and set up a Zap to pull emails into Airtable. 4. Draft 5 personalized pitches with the pitch prompt and approve them. 5. Send the first batch of 10 after human review. Those first 90 minutes will get you a live pipeline. If you want ready-made Airtable bases, Zapier recipes, Lemlist sequences, and all the exact prompt templates we just used, enroll in my Automate Your Nomad Income course at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.
That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.